everyone, today we will be making these quick and easy hot dog recipes. The 3 hot dog recipes we're going to make are the New York style hot dog, the Chicago style hot dog, and the Cony Island hot dog. So let's get started with the video. First we're going to make the red sauce for our New York style hot dog. Start by thinly slicing 1 onion. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add your onions. Next, saute your onions for about 5 minutes or until they are soft. Once you sauteed your onions, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook the tomato paste with the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce. Mix everything together and then add 1/2 cup of water. Once you've mixed everything together, reduce your heat to low and let your mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Once everything has finished cooking, take it out of the pan and set it to the side. Next, we're going to make the chili for our Cony Island hot dog. In a pot over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add the ground meat of your choice. I'm using turkey meat. And 1 diced onion. Then season your ground meat and onions. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. Once you've seasoned your ground meat, cook it until it is browned. Once your ground meat has finished cooking, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Mix everything together until well combined and then add 1 cup of chicken broth. Now let your chili simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your chili should be thick and you will be all finished. Now we can begin making our hot dogs. Go ahead and cook your hot dogs however you like. I like to cook mine on a pan over medium heat, but you can cook yours by boiling them or cooking them in the microwave or grilling them. When you finish cooking your hot dogs, set them to the side. This is optional, but you can also steam your buns. All you have to do is place your buns in the pan, add a bit of water, and then cover with a lid. Once the water has evaporated and your buns are soft and warm, you can go ahead and take them out of the pan. Now that our hot dogs and buns are ready, we can begin assembling our hot dogs. First, we're going to make the Chicago dog. First, add mustard, then 2 tomato slices, one whole dill pickle, relish, diced onions, two pepperoncini peppers, and a sprinkle of celery salt on top. Next, we're going to make the New York style hot dog. First, add some sauerkraut, then add your red sauce, and finally add a drizzle of spicy brown mustard on top. Last but not least, we're going to make the Cony Island Hot Dog. First, add your chili, then some diced onions, and finally drizzle some mustard on top. And this is the finished result. These hot dogs tasted great and they were so good. My favorite was the Chicago dog. These recipes are quick and easy and I totally recommend it if you just want a quick lunch. Oh, the hot dogs also went really well with some onion rings I made. It was the best. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!